Learning phonics spelling is a great way to improve your spelling skills and develop a strong foundation in phonics. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Understand the basics. Phonics is the relationship between letters and sounds. Learn the sounds associated with each letter of the alphabet. Familiarize yourself with the different phonemes and their corresponding letter or letter combinations. Practice letter-sound correspondence. Begin by practicing the basic letter-sound correspondence. Say the sound of a letter and identify words that start with that sound. For example, for the letter A, you might think of words like apple or ant. Repeat this process for other letters of the alphabet. Master phoneme blending. Phoneme blending involves combining individual sounds to form words. Practice blending sounds together to form words. Start with simple words and gradually move on to more complex ones. For example, blend the sound C, A, and T to form the word cat. Practice phoneme segmentation. Phoneme segmentation is the ability to break words down into individual sounds. Start with simple words and gradually progress to more complex ones. For example, segment the word cat into its three sounds, C, A, and T. Learn phonics rules. There are certain phonics rules and patterns that can help you determine the spelling of words. Examples include the silent E rule. For example, cake. The K rule. Duck. Or the vowel consonant E pattern. Hope. Familiarize yourself with these rules and patterns, as they can guide your spelling. Use phonics-based resources. Utilize phonics-based resources such as books, websites, and apps that provide phonics activities, exercises, and games. These resources can reinforce your learning and provide opportunities for practice. Build vocabulary. Expand your vocabulary by learning new words. Pay attention to the spelling patterns and phonics rules within these words. Practice spelling them aloud, breaking them down into sounds, and blending sounds to form the complete word. Engage in wordplay. Engaging in wordplay activities, such as crossword puzzles, word searches, and word scrambles, can further enhance your phonics spelling skills. Read aloud. Reading aloud is an excellent way to reinforce your phonics spelling skills. As you read, pay attention to the phonics patterns and how they correspond to the words you encounter. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Set aside regular time to practice phonics spelling. Aim for short, focused sessions rather than infrequent, lengthy ones. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in applying phonics principles to your spelling. Remember, learning phonics spelling takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.